Before it becomes the center of your home, it begins in the heart of the forest.
Nature writes the story. We merely frame it.
Carefully selected wood, shaped for everyday living.
A foundation of unyielding stability.
Where organic warmth meets modern resilience.
Precision that human hands could only dream of. Designing the hidden mechanics of hospitality.
Waiting for the transformation.
Refining the raw.
A touch as soft as silk, born from the hardest oak.
Simple lines, carefully constructed. Coated for durability. Styled for elegance.
Bringing the soul of the forest to the surface.
Nourishing the wood. Protecting its legacy.
Where organic nature meets industrial strength. Secured with invisible precision. Engineered to grow with your gatherings. A flawless transition.
Perfectly level. Uncompromising quality.
Flexible space when it's needed.
Tested against the weight of a feast.
Beauty that defends itself.
The masterpiece is complete.
Craftsmanship you can feel. Complex engineering, hidden by minimalist design.
Ready to host your greatest memories. Approved for the modern home.
Packaged with respect for nature.
Structural perfection guaranteed.
Simplicity from the very first step.
Ready to elevate dining rooms worldwide.
Sealed for the journey.
Secured for transit. On its way to you.
Bringing Scandinavian elegance home.
Arrival at its final destination. The centerpiece arrives.
Assembled with intuitive ease. Expansion made effortless.
Balanced and ready for everyday use. A flawless intersection of materials. A table that adjusts with the moment.
A continuous flow of beauty.
Room for everyone you love.
Setting the stage for life.
Uncompromising functionality.
Every table is utterly unique. A daily tactile pleasure.
A gathering place for the home.
Architectural elegance in your dining room.
More than just a place to eat.
Built for real life.
Designed to fit different spaces.
A design that only gets better with time.
The stage for your life's best moments.
You look beautiful.
And you're exactly as I imagined.
Details you can't see, but always feel.
Unwavering strength.
Timeless beauty, waiting for tomorrow.
Effortless maintenance. Designed to interact with light. An heirloom for the next generation. A study in modern proportions. The perfect choice. From morning coffee to late-night conversations. Crafted by experts. Enjoyed by you.
Premium Scandinavian design.
Audio layer. Vacom. Ho. SFX. Deep, pulsing bass tone. Way UUVO.